Bun Monthly, episode 7, take 1.
Hey guys, and welcome to episode 7 of the Man Bun Monthly series. If you couldn't already tell what's going on, you're about to find out. And yeah, welcome. If you're brand new here, my name's Thomas and I make style and hair related videos every single week. So if that's your kind of thing, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And you are in fact watching my Man Bun Monthly series at this point. And essentially what the series is about is just getting a heap of man bun inspo and facts and tips and all things man bun and putting it into one series so you guys can keep your man buns looking their best. Now in today's video you can see that I've got on this bench some fake man buns. I don't know if you guys have seen these viral trends going around at the moment, but look, in the Facebook group we always post really cool quirky things, and I saw in my moderator section like somebody had shared a video featuring these weird looking things in the group, and I thought, okay, cool, we'll approve it. Not even kidding you, about 15 minutes after that, another one, someone else shared it, and I think it got shared about 3 times in the group in total, and I went, okay, we got to look at this and just see what the hell is going on here. These man buns, if we take a look at them, I wasn't really sure what I was going to be expecting with these. I mean, they're just like a piece of net that has all the hair stitched to it, and the hair on them is probably about, I think about 3 to 4 inches long. It's nothing too crazy about them. So they're actually not even a bun, essentially. It's just kind of like a hairpiece, and somebody has gone, that would be a great viral trend. And sure enough, it was. And that's how they're in front of me right now. So what we're gonna do in this video is we're actually just gonna try them on and see what they're like. I don't honestly know if I would recommend these to anyone because they do look very fake unless your hair color is exactly the same and straw-like, like what they are. Then maybe it's your thing, but we're sussing it out today. Which one should we go with first? The blonde one or the brown one? I think the blonde one is the most interesting to me first because I just have brown hair, so it's gonna look very funny on my head. Put my messy man bun in, so I've got all these pins everywhere. I didn't think about this before I jumped on camera today. Let it out. Oh, this keratined hair. My mirror's dirty again. All right, so what I'm planning to do with this, if we have a look at the anatomy again, we've got this little drawstring. So once you actually cover and pin in the actual hairpiece, you tighten it with the drawstring, and it's supposed to tighten it around whatever hair you actually have sitting there. So I'm just gonna have a play around with it. We'll put it in like a normal bun first. I have a feeling my normal hair is gonna be too big to even encompass this thing. It feels so funny. I'm just clipping these in like that. I actually haven't worn this thing properly yet, so I have no idea how it's supposed to work. And then we'll tighten that drawstring. Did it go all around it? What does it look like? I can't even see it. Oh my God, it's so weird. Then what are you meant to do with this thing? Maybe like twirl it around and pin it in, I guess? Side profile. It's my, oh wait. I don't even know what to make of this thing. You can kind of see that top bit in there. How does it flip around? This thing is not on my wearable list. Ta-da! Well, I don't know about it. Maybe we'll try a high bun as well. Like, I've got to try all of these now. Oh my God. It doesn't even look right. Okay, so that's the blonde one out of the way. Already, at this stage, not impressed. Who else is actually finding humor out of this? Because I just can't believe. No, get away. All right, let's have a look at this brown one. Very similar in shape. The brown one seems to be like a lot chunkier and a lot like puffier. Again, kind of matches my hair color. I think my hair is a little bit darker than this though. Let's see what it looks like on. We'll go for the normal again. Oh, this one actually doesn't look too bad. What does the back look like there? Hey. Can you actually see any of my real bun? That actually doesn't look too bad. Maybe not always. Oh, the color is so much different though, isn't it? It's so much lighter. I guess this one, like if you could find a man bun fake that matches your hair color decently, I guess you could really use it to help bulk it up a little bit more. Because like if you look at it, my normal bun isn't actually that big. Right on. And from what I can tell in the mirror, like it doesn't look too false. Like it still looks like it could pass as my normal hair. So, On third thought, we just had another idea. Why don't we try and do, seeing as we're here playing around with these man buns, why don't we try and like do a 3 man bun hairstyle or something like that? Because I hate this blonde one. I'm gonna put it at the back so I don't have to look at it. I'm just thinking Facebook videos that have got music and being done really quick. So it's like, here, look at this. Oh my God, wow. Oof.
That's it. Okay, I got it.
So we'll put the first one here, brown one, the biggest one, make it the most obnoxious. Fuck it, we're here. May as well get my $40 worth out of it. I got ripped off. One was called the Bun Hawk, and it looks very similar to this, like a mohawk made of buns. This is just like the Bun Hawk remastered, you know? You just gotta really get like a nice tight grip on it, like, because otherwise it'll look really bad. And there you have it. So the Bun Hawk remastered. See? How's that back one look?
It's falling apart.
Oh dear. I actually hate these things to the moon and back. Stupid little bun. The more I'm playing around with this, the more I want to tell you, do not get them. And there you have it, guys. The Bun Hawk remastered. This is hilarious. Let's be real. It looks shit as fuck. I know that. But look, I just thought it would be a little bit of a fun gimmick to try these on and have a go of them. I think I paid like $11 per bun and then like $20 for the shipping. So all up, it cost me like $40, which I'm not extremely happy about, particularly because of the shipping, but I'm not even gonna go into that because whatever. But I thought it was cool, and I'd really like to know your thoughts in the description box below, as well as if any of you have actually tried these, because I honestly, even through that growing out process, if these were an option, I don't think I would have ever reached for a thing like this. Hopefully you got some laughter out of this, and we can all just sit back and no. Have a great week. Thank you so much for coming back this month to watch my Man Bun Monthly series, and I'll see you next month for the next episode. Or make sure you leave comments telling me what you'd like to see in the Man Bun series, because I do have a lot of ideas, but I want to prioritize them better. I'm thinking like how to make a man bun more masculine looking could be a good way to go. If any of you guys are interested in that, you just have to let me know and I will make the magic happen. Okay? Thanks a lot, guys. I'll catch you later. Bye. Far better finish.